Enjoy spotless laundry with every wash thanks to this eco-friendly graphite washing machine from Samsung, which has lots of clever cleaning features. It has a 1400 RPM spin speed, an excellent A++ energy rating, and a medium-sized 7-kilogram drum. We believe the bigger the drum, the better, not only because of the extra capacity, but also because your clothes have more room to tumble for a better clean. Samsung's BubbleSoak option will make light work of tough stains. Once you pick your preferred wash program, select the BubbleSoak button to thoroughly soak your laundry in a luxurious foam. This loosens any difficult marks like wine or grass before the main wash, meaning your clothes get the deepest clean possible. So, whether it's that Saturday night shirt or your brand new sportswear, they'll always look impressively vibrant and fresh. The Quick Wash 15 program refreshes clothes in next to no time. With a twist of the dial, this function will wash, rinse, and spin in 15 minutes. It's the perfect way to revive smaller loads of lightly stained clothing, meaning you never need to wait around to look your best. This graphite washing machine from Samsung is the perfect choice if you're looking for an eco-friendly model to give you spotless laundry with every wash.